Most people often grow up to become an adult that is not always a reflection of their true self. It is so easy in this world to lose track of our authentic self and not be the best version of ourselves. Since you've picked up this tutorial, it means that you are ready to bring back that authentic self, that beauty that lies within you, and show it to the world. Here are 5 actions you can do to be a better person. Express love. Being a better person is about learning to be a better person toward ourselves first. It has to start from within you. To be a better person, you have to find love within. You have to be able to show yourself compassion, love, and acceptance. You can't give to others what you are unable to deliver to yourself. Once you can love yourself, you will radiate love, and others will be attracted to you. Express love by acknowledging one thing you love about yourself every morning.